Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide alerts from an iMessage on your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you are trying to screen record on your iPhone, but for some reason you have messages popping up from one of your iMessages. How do you actually go ahead and hide alerts? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up your iPhone, then go into iMessages. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the chat message which you want to go ahead and hide alerts from. So what you could essentially do is that you can actually click and hold onto it, and then this window here is going to pop up. Go ahead and click on hide alerts. So what that's going to do now is that you'll no longer receive alerts or notifications or pop-up windows from that chat message. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and hide alerts from iMessage on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.